What's going on, everybody? It's Crypto Vision here, back again with another crypto market update. Today's video, we're going to be checking out Chainlink. We're going to be checking out some stablecoin dominance per the usual. So if you like today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more, leave a comment where you're tuning in from. I really appreciate that. So we got Chainlink here on the daily. It looks beautiful. It really does. It looks beautiful. I thought we'd run out of some steam just based on this look right here, right? Just kind of, we're not really getting out of this zone without much pullback, but you know what? I like it. I do. It's reminding me of this little area right here. It's reminding me of this area right here, right? Maybe a day or two of red, but you know, got us out of the $10 hole up to the $20 hole, 100% move. If you've noticed, right, we are above all EMAs, so that's healthy. We are above the area of interest, and boy, oh boy, we have bounced off that a ton. So to everyone who's been here since day one, you know that area. Haven't changed it on the fibs, or haven't changed it on the charts, just have left it there. And so I do like, so there's things I do and don't like about Chainlink right now. I do like the RSI's posturing. I like how we got out, didn't play around right here. We got out, right, got above this area. And now we're kind of like, looks like we're kind of doing something like that. That's what it looks like we want to do, right? I don't like the stochastic absolutely shooting up without any momentum. I don't like that, right? I don't think the moves are sustained when that happens, right? What did we have? We had, no, this is way more apparent. And look at this RSI. If I'm being honest, right, this last move didn't, right? So it's like this move didn't do much on the RSI. This move did, right? You shot up on the stochastic. Look at your RSI. Your RSI moved up with a vengeance, right? And you got immediate momentum, and that was a strong move. That was a strong move. This is kind of, honestly, this looks similar to this over here, where you're just kind of, you're lacking in momentum. You've moved up, right? And you're kind of just inching your way up. Compared to this, you have some big body candles. You're getting out of here, right? So, I mean, obviously this looks like a 1-2. This is your third wave. It's the most impulsive. So, look like we've come down in a fourth, and we're looking to come up in a fifth. Look like we're trying to get ready for a fifth wave, right? So, overall, this looks good. I just want to see us stay above this 54.41. I really do. I don't want to see this, right, come up then come down, because then what would happen? We just went down for days. We eventually did go up, but it's, right, I don't want to see that right now. Maybe you just stall out right here for a day, but the weekend hasn't been very kind to Chainlink, so it hasn't been kind to anything. Let's be real. So if we're looking right here on the 4 hour, I mean, look at this area of interest. I mean, when I zoom into the 1 hour, it's going to be nice. So that's why, hey, if you liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe for more. I appreciate it. Right, we've come down, we've pretty much bounced off this. This does look like a three-wave move. So let's see where we can go from here, okay? Before we look to the upside, we got to look to the downside. We always got to look to where the trend is going. The trend is up, but the trend is looking like a little correction. So, right, we can come down to this 23.95. I'll leave this up on the charts. This area right through here, 24.13 to 23.95 area, okay, for Chainlink. So if you, right now, the financial advice or not financial advice, but that's kind of what that looks like where we want to go. This 1618 is right above this 20, or it's on the 4 hour, so it's on the 20 on the 4 hour, right? You can wick down, right? You can come down here, come down, and then wick down, bounce off of here and go, something like that. It would match up with what I was saying earlier, right? We've had, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive green days. I would expect, right? I would expect something, right? You have 1, 2, 3, 4 red day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red day, 1, 2, 3, 4 red day. So I think today it's looking like it wants to close red or neutral, right? Just a little doji. I'd rather just close red, stay above the area of interest, right? Wick down, get it over with, right? Wick down, get it over with, and then start moving on your way up. This is on the 4 hour. Look at this on the 1 hour though. Ladies and gentlemen, hey, this isn't drawn with hindsight. This isn't I don't go in and change the levels. This is the level has been the level. The level has been the level. It's not associated with any fib. It's not voodoo, it's not magic. I just go through, see areas that we've seen had previous support, previous resistance with multiple interactions, right? Multiple interactions on different time frames. And look what we've done here, right? We came up here, cleared it, back tested, went up, came back down, back tested, come up, come back down, right? And then the area to clear A, or we're moving up, we get above this level. And we're bullish. It's that simple, ladies and gentlemen. It is that simple. Okay, not a financial advice, but right. I hold CHAINLINK. I love CHAINLINK. I think we're going higher, right? This looks good. This RSI in the 1 hour looks good. It's just, it's the 1 hour. I don't really go through the 1 hours. I like to see price action to see where we're going, but nothing crazy. So you have the levels for where we can see to the downside. The 2-day, we're on the 2-day. 2-day, we're losing volume and bearish momentum, which is right. We have low volume, right? Losing volume, and we're losing bearish momentum, which is good. Very, very, very good, right? Very good. Once we actually get some strong volume, then this bearish momentum, we're just going to flip like that, right? Because we're losing bearish momentum with very little volume. Does that make sense? We have on the daily, let's see what we got for the MACD. Ooh, that looks beautiful. Let's get across, right? Let's get across. Maybe we have a bullish weekend. Maybe we do have a bullish weekend, right? And we start moving up. Weekend scars. Hey, if you've been in it, weekend scars. Weekends have not been nice. And then let's check one more. Check the 8 hour. 8 hour looks good. No volume though. Absolutely no volume. This kind of looks like a bull flag. If I'm being honest, this looks kind of like a bull flag. Kind of looks like a bull flag. If I'm being real. Right? Kind of got your A, B, C. So we'll see what happens with this. Okay, we'll see what happens with CHAINLINK. I do want to go see some. Let's go see some higher price targets, right? Let's go see some higher price targets. All right, let's hide the volume. Right, next price target area for Luna. It's dedicated to the channel. Thanks for sticking through and always coming by. Appreciate that. So, right, if we do have a, your 1-2 setup. Where's your 1-2? 1-2, 1-2, 1-2. Right, your 1-2, 3. All right, let me see right here. Where did we get up to? 1-2-7-2. Not the strongest of moves, right? If you want to say this is your 1-2 setup, I don't think this could be your 1-2 setup for the whole entire thing, if I'm being real. This little thing, I just don't think so. Yeah, no. No. It's okay. We'll use this as a 1-2. We'll use this as a 1-2 setup. Because this does look like a 2 coming down. Right, and then you got your third wave up to the upside. Tried to get up to that 1-2-7-2. So we will use this as your third wave. It has been the most impulsive so far. This can be a grindy wave. And where we're at right here. I mean, 1618 is at $42. 2272 is at $50, all the way up to $54. All right, overall though, I mean, look at this cup and handle. I mean, it looks beautiful. Let's put something on here actually. Put something on here. Something like right there. I mean, there's one right there. It's at that 382. One right here. Right, I mean, look at this, right? This cup and handle. It's right at that 382 as well. Right at that 382. I mean, honestly, this looks beautiful. Right? This does look beautiful. I mean, we could. I mean, really, actually, you know what? Actually, I retract my statement. I was wrong. I actually think this is your 1-2. I do. This looks like your 1, 2, 3, coming all the way up here, 3. We're in a fourth wave move down. I do think so. I think we're getting ready for You know, your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That looks good. That does look good. I mean, this could even be your 1, 2. No, don't do that. No, 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 no. I mean, yeah. I mean, that looks good. That looks good for a 1, 2. That looks good for a 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, are we about to hit a fifth wave? This looks good though right here. I'm gonna take the low, the base of it. Let's take, because we can always wick. 144 to 160%. So we'll do that. 144. Whoa. 144 to 160. 144 is at $65. 160 is up at that $70 range. I mean, look at this. This is nice. 144%. $60. I've been saying 60, 62 to 160. 65. All right, 60 to 65. If this is a third wave. Well, I always do that. I always do that. Always. Always. I mean, that 2618 is at $66. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, this 1618 to the 2618, these areas right here. I mean, especially if you close above this area, that's the primary target zone, right? Primary target zone. $43 to $49, right? We close above this 1618, right? We don't just wick and then come down, right? We pass through it like this, and then we like come down like that, then use it as support. Yeah. Oh yeah, without a doubt. I mean, you can even get up to this 3414, 79 to $94. That's crazy, but hey, it is 100% possible, especially with this huge pattern like this, right? Huge pattern. When's the last time we had something like this? I mean, the more you zoom out, the more beautiful it is. I mean, just beautiful, right? Coming down, coming down, coming down, back testing, making sure we're clear to go. So this area, these areas right here, I'm going to actually say, let's be conservative, 2672. We close above that, 2672. We close above that. I mean, let's see. I really want to find out what would be more legit. Yeah, it is 2672. Yeah. We close above 2672, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to see crazy prices. I mean, 2672. I mean, that's 2672. That's an 8% day, ladies and gentlemen. That's one day. That is one day. So be prepared for that. That looks great. That looks beautiful. I mean, the 1 hour is starting to look nice on the. I mean, this looks. Shoot, this looks nice. This is starting to look nice, like a nice shape. This is looking like a really constructive shape, right? This just looks really good, right? So I could see us doing something like this. Just looks very clean, especially coming from Jasmine. Chainlink looks clean, right? Easy to read, not easy, but just it's actually the chart is you can actually legible, right? When you have like a student or a son or a daughter or whatever that applies, that just you can't, a doctor, right? Just can't even read. It's chicken scratch, right? This is not chicken scratch. This is Times New Roman 12-point font, right? So yeah, this looks good though. We've come up, used this as the support. It is the 1 hour, but you know, 1 hour feeds the 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. You know what I'm saying. What are we doing? Stablecoin dominance. Oh, we're right at that 610 level. So, right, I don't assume the Chainlink viewers watch the Jasmine videos. So, hey, this has been the bread and butter. So, if you like today's video, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel, please. It helps out. It's free. It helps out a ton. And we've been spot on. Let's go. So, this thesis of stablecoin dominance, right? We've come up on this ascending wedge. We broke the wedge down through here, and I was calling, okay, we got lower prices to come, especially after this back test. I was saying it. You can go watch those videos, right? Comment if I'm lying. I know I'm not. So, oh, what did I just do? I didn't do anything. So on the daily, we've 2 check boxes done, right? Full body candle close below, full body candle close below, in the process, right? Process, in the process. So we're 2 for 3. Need to close this full body candle close below 617. Okay. This last area of interest, this last area is the 610 level. And we're finding support right at it. Right at it. I mean, right at it. This actually, I need to, I'm gonna throw some fibs on here on the smaller time frame to see where we're going. But the 610 level, huge area of interest, right? Huge area of interest right here. Found support, found support, found support, found support, found support, found support. I mean, you know what I mean? You broke it, slammed down, broke it, slammed down, right? Over and over and over and over again. Over and over and over again. Found support. I mean, it's all over the charts. Okay, so we break this, ladies and gentlemen. It is game on. I don't care what the news is saying. I don't care what X is saying. I don't care what your favorite YouTuber is saying with 500,000 subscribers. I do not care. I don't care. It has begun. Right? We're just waiting on this because it's a 786. I really want to see this right here because this looks so bearish, right? This looks so bearish, especially if you just invert it, right? You're coming up, you have like a 3-way move down, right? 3-way move to the downside, right? You come up, overshooting B wave, overshooting B wave. It's like a running flat kind of thing, right? Because you close. I mean, yeah, it's not, you don't close way below, but you don't, the low is over here, right? That was a low. And then look at this, what we're doing right here. Right here, we're kind of just coming down like this, and then we're going to go, right? Get an A, B, C, go. Where can we go for stablecoin dominance? Well, let's see, right? Let's see on just this move right here, just this move alone, right? What have we done? What have we done? We've come up, right? We wicked all the way down, tried to get down to the 69197, but we closed right below the 382. Okay, closed right below the 382. What did we do with, I'm sorry. Oh, look at that. That looks like an overshooting B wave. I mean, yeah. That's definitely, that's overshooting B wave much. Yeah, I mean, looks like we want to come all the way up to the 786 area. Yeah, this is looking good, right? This is looking very good. Overshooting B wave. And then where can we go down? If we go down more, maybe I'm gonna leave this on here, just on the 1 hour. 614 area to the 617 area, right? 614 to 617. That does make sense, especially with the 617. That's where we want to close below. Stablecoin dominance is pretty unpredictable, so right, it looks like we want to keep slamming down, but I don't know about that. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. We'll keep this on because we got this on the 4 hour as well. I mean, if we close below here on the 4 hour, how much time we got? Oh, 3 hours, 36. Yeah, we're gonna wick. You already see that. Pardon me. So, I got a text. Okay, well, I gotta go. I appreciate you stopping by. You know those levels on CHAINLINK, so keep those levels in your mind. Keep them in your head, right? This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but boy, oh boy, I'm excited. I hope you are too. I appreciate you stopping by. I appreciate your time. Have a great rest of your day. Take it easy. Peace.